Yo, bro, what's wrong?
The company that I invested in last week just made a bonus issue, and now my shareholding is gonna get diluted
Why do you think your wealth is gonna get diluted?
because they're issuing more shares, so the share price will drop. More shares equals to less value per share, right?
Yes, the price per share drops, but your total wealth remains the same. Come, let me show you how. Now let's understand with an example. So let's say there's a company ABC Limited, okay? And they're about to do a bonus issue. Now till now they have not done the bonus issue, so we are discussing the scenario before bonus issue. So let's say that the market price per share that we got of this company is right now currently at $10. So every share that you own of this company is worth $10. Okay. And now let's say that you own 10 shares in this company. So if you own 10 share in this company and each share is worth $10, then your wealth or your holding in this company would be of $100, right? Okay, come on. Let's see what happens after the company does the bonus issue, right? So, what your company, the company that you invested in, has done is that it has issued a 100% bonus issue. Now, what does the 100% bonus issue means is that for every one share that you held in the company, they're going to give one more. And they are going to do that for all the existing shareholders, okay? So, all the existing shareholders are going to get one more share for every one share that they held in the company. So that means that if the company had 100 shares in total, now they'll be having 200 shares in the market, right? Because they're giving one share more to every shareholder who holds one share in the company, right? So for every one share that you held in the company, you're going to get one more. So in total, if there were 100, now that's going to get 200, right? So now in total, the company has issued 200 shares into the market. So what that does is that it reduces the market price of the share, which you were saying, right? So now you can see that the market price per share is $5. Previously, it was $10 before the bonus issue. Now it has half. It has reduced by 50%, and the new market price is going to be $5. Now, when I say you should not be worried about this reduction in the market price, is because you don't, what you see is that the market price of the share is reducing, right? But the number of shares are also increasing because let's assume you still have the 10 shares in the company. But that's not going to be 10 anymore because now the company is giving you one more share for every one share that you held. So if you had 10 shares, now you're going to have 20 shares, right? So what you don't notice is that the number of shares that you had in the company is also increasing. Now, because your shareholding increases, if you times it by the market price of the share, you can see that your wealth or your overall holding in the company is still $100. So that means that your overall wealth or your overall holding in the company has not reduced even after the bonus issue, right? So that means I was right. And this is why you guys should not be worried about it, okay?